Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am AttiDude, and in this channel we'll upload videos of programming, game development, gaming and other tech videos. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell button and comment on our videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today's topic is variables. First of all, what are variables? Variables are objects that store some data in them. Since they store data, they are also called data types. Different kinds of variables store different kinds of data. All the variable types remain same while using any programming language. We can also define custom variable types in case we already have a custom class. So, basic variable types. First of all, integers. Int. In the programming language, they are known as int. They are written in small letters as int. Floats. Floats, commonly known as float in the programming language, are written in all small letters. String, string, written in small letters. Boolean, bool, bool is written in small letters in the programming language. So, variable storage. What do variables store in them? Different variable types store different kinds of data. Integers. As the name suggests, integers store integers. That is, numbers without any decimal value. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Floats. Floats are variables that can store numbers with decimals. For example, 0.1, 0.2, 2.5, 2.0, etc. Strings. Strings are values that can store some written text or numbers in them. For example, AttiDude or any other string value or text value. Booleans. Booleans are values that define something as true or false. In case we are making a game where we are checking if the player is on ground, so we use boolean to check whether they are on ground or not, and in many other cases they are used. So, variable size. What is the size of variables? Different variable types are of different size. Integers are 2 bytes, very small value. Floats are 4 bytes, pretty big, a little big, because they store decimal values. So strings, 2 bytes, very very small. Booleans, 8 bytes. They're bigger than them. They store true or false value. That is the reason they are a little bit bigger. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell and comment on the videos. We'll provide more content on this channel. So I am AttiDude, signing out.